If you've programmed in other languages before you come to Elm, and I assume you have, you've probably done test-driven development. In test-driven development, you would write a test, presumably an example-based test, first, and then you let it fail, and then write the code to make it pass. And of course, and as you come to Elm, you would like to do the same thing. You will, however, discover that things are a little bit different. In Elm, we have three ways of validating our code. We can write a unit test, we can write a property-based test, otherwise known as a quick check test or a fuzz test, depending on which language you learn this in, where you let the test environment suite create many random examples to validate your test, so that you might try to create 100 or 500 examples and see if any of them fail. Or you can use the type system to validate your code. Now, in some ways, the third example is the best way, because if you write a unit test, you basically have stated that there exists one case for which this code works. If you write a property-based test, you say, there is a statistically significant percentage of cases where this code works, or more accurately, statistically insignificant cases where it doesn't, assuming your generator is right. On the other hand, your type system, if you design your types well, states that there does not exist any case for which this code doesn't work. And this is actually mathematically provable in terms of formal methods, and we're not going to go into that. That's a subject for a possible future video. Please comment if you'd like me to make it. But the idea here is we would like to write tests and properties and types, not for our health, no, but because they deliver business value. We would like to know that the code we write satisfies the requirements that we've been put in front of us. And that should be done with a combination of all three of these. In the next few videos, I'm going to show you how to do all of these various things and understand that they should work together as to create a complete picture. Don't simply rely on any one of them, but understand where each of these types of things can be helpful. You'll want to subscribe, the button down below, to get the rest of this series. And if you have questions, please leave comments, and I will try to answer them in future videos.